Welcome back. I'm going to share with you a funny short story. Actually, it's not a story, but it's a Facebook post I came across this afternoon on the Facebook page of the Britain group Keir Starmer for Prime Minister. And the member of this page published a short post I found out quite interesting and I would like to share with you. This post is about the members of a parliament privilege to have a restaurant, I suppose, in the House of Commons. And it's funny to discover how they treat them. This is what I found out. The title of this post is Members' Dining Room. With the cost of a living crisis and people struggling to pay their bills, there has been a lot of criticism about Member of Parliament expenses. I can accept that most members of a parliament require accommodation in London, and traveling around the country may be part of their job. However, why should we pay for them to travel first class? If they wish to do so, they should pay the extra themselves. Why do we pay to subsidize their food and drink in the House of Commons? Before I retired, I worked for many years in local government. Years ago, we had a staff canteen, but that eventually closed due to lack of funds. We used to have a water cooler until that was removed due to lack of fund for the same reason. I just find it appalling that so many are going hungry while our members of parliament can wine and dine on gourmet food that is subsidized by us. And this is the menu, members' dining room. Starters, soup of the day, £2, and 71 penny, I suppose. Cents, let me say. Rosemary salt-baked squash, panna cotta with almond feta, beer and onion ketchup, and parsnip crisps, £4.10. Balsamic and thyme honey beetroot tartare with golden cross goat's cheese mouse, Granny Smith apple and micro celery, £4.10. Pressed duck leg and capre terrine with celeriac and mustard remoulade, and sour duff toast, £4.52. Panscare Mackerel with heritage tomato ceviche, elderflowers gel, horseradish, and charred cucumber, £4.52. Traditional prawn cocktail with jam lettuce and brown bread and butter, £3.25. Mains: char-grilled ribeye steak with hand-cut chips, tomato, mushroom, and béarnaise sauce, £9.99. 19. Pan-fried salmon with courgette provençal, buttered cockles, potatoes, black olive crumb, and chive cream sauce, 7 pound, 0.33. Traditional beer, butter coated with hand-cut chips, mashy peas, and tartar sauce, 7 pound, 33. Mini sirloin of beef with mini stick and kidney pudding, roast baby carrots, Savoy cabbage, and potato terrine, 9 pound 19. Slow cooked pork belly with pancetta and root vegetables spelt, crisp kale, and salt baked swede, 8 pound 45. Leek and wild mushroom bread and butter pudding with char-grilled spring onions, roast celeriac puree, and rosemary poached turnip, 7 pound 33. Roast cauliflower and tarragon sticklet with samhire and hazelnut pesto, pickled kohlrabi, and aubergine baba garnish, 7 pound 33. Sides: vegetables or potatoes of the day, 1 pound 64. Extra sauce, 1 pound. This is the menu, that was published, and I have to say that members of a parliament, they have good taste. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.